Here is an example. John eats apple. In this sentence, can you tell me which is the subject? Yes, John is the subject. And what does John do? He eats. You good? And what does John eat? He eats apple. And this is the? Yes, it is the object. In this sentence, John is the subject, which gets the emphasis. He does an action. So, in this sentence, the word John, which is the subject, gets the importance. So now you tell me, is this an active voice sentence or a passive voice sentence? Yes, it is an active voice sentence. Alright, I'm going to change it and write it in the passive form. Apple is eaten by John, and this is the passive voice form of the given sentence. And in this sentence, which is the subject? You're right. Apple is the subject. And does apple do any action? No. But an action is allowed, which is actually done by John. So the importance is not on apples, but on the action. So this becomes the verb, and the emphasis is on this part. And who does this action? John. And I'm going to use the word, a preposition, by here. And when you write a passive voice form of an active voice form, the subject of the passive voice will be the object of the active voice sentence. So, the object of active voice becomes the subject of passive voice. This is condition number 1. And then, if you watch closely, the subject of the active voice, which is John here, is made as the object of the preposition by. Right. Now this word, the subject of the active voice, John, is made as the object of the preposition by. You understand? Alright. This is the second important thing. And the third one is, in an active voice sentence, you must always use a transitive verb. A transitive verb. What do you mean by a transitive verb? A transitive verb is an action verb which takes a direct object. In case, I'm not going to use this word apple. John eats. There has to be something here to complete the meaning of this sentence. So I must write an object here. So a transitive verb always takes a direct object. And a transitive verb is also an action verb. So I'm going to write it here. A transitive verb. A transitive verb is an action verb or an action verb, and it takes a direct object. Are you clear? Right. Now here, when I convert this active voice sentence into passive voice sentence, this verb is used in the past participle form. The base form of this word, eat, is eat or eats. Now, when I convert this into passive voice, I have changed it to eaten, which is the third form of the word eat. The past form of it is ate, and the past participle form of it, eating. So I have used this past participle form, eaten, here. So that is rule number 3 and 4. Right.